There you go. Straight it.
You ready?
Yup.
Recording? Alright.
Uh.
Yeah, I didn't give a fuck about the shit I had to do. I was rolling through my city with my fucking crew. I made all these other niggas feel hella pity with the shit that I spit. Yeah, 573 was my city. So if any nigga wanna look at me in pity, I put you down in the ground 10 feet deep, dog. I don't give a fuck, I run these streets, dog. See my feet's bleeding from this shit. I don't give a fuck, that's why I'm a blood suit woo in this game. Any nigga wanna disrespect you, you know I'm gonna hit you with a different shit. I'm hit you the real shit, my mother mind is crazy. Don't let me fuck, I hit you with a different flow. That's why I call me Jason, no saying, I'm gonna say no all wrong. Oh yeah, here we go. Fucker. Burrio, Buckshot, Louisville slugger up under the trunker. I don't give a fucker, I hit you with the motherfucker. That's what we do though. Got Dream Killer recording me as I spit this freestyle. I ain't got no shit wrote down. Do you see no paper? Hell no, I ain't even around. That's why I'm coming through spitting bar at the bar. That's where you see me and I'm rolling with the freshest motherfucking car. Yeah, even my lighter represents my gang. Red bitch, so fuck you in your whole shit. Fuck you in your whole clique. Fuck you and I take your bitch. That's what they call that shit. They call that shit the twist the world, the twist the girls. Take your girl, fuck your world, take your life, do it right. I don't give a fuck, I'm ready to fight, ready to do my shit if I have to. I don't really give a fuck, I will blast you. White boy, Como, 573, ready to fight ho. But I'm also internationally known around this fucking world. 816, 407, 1011, 9mm, yeah, I was in heaven. I was stucking down, I don't give a fuck, I'm running around, ducking down, hopping fences, yeah, I'm running around. Don't give a fuck, no, I'm sipping on that crown. Got my head going around, do a little bit of white, yeah, it's crazy in my head. Then I smoke another blunt and I'm feeling right again. So I don't give a fuck, no. Hit you with that different flow, white boy, yes it is. Fuck the skin color, I ain't got no pigment. I'm just real with my shit. 573, ready to see me? Hell nah, all these other niggas, I will make them drop down to their knees, begging please while I'm smoking on the best trees. Fiends, addicts, gotta have it. Add 'em, nigga, let me have 'em. Cut 'em up and put 'em in a trash bag. Yeah, nigga, let me have 'em. Told 'em that shit was real, it was a rhythm. This shit, get the wicked shit. I put the fuck on mine and don't get none of shit. I can spit so fast, make your fucking mind spin around in circles and shit. I don't give a fuck, just my finger up, just the other one up. Got to say, fuck you, blood, Suwu. Cut the shit.